In 2018, Square Technology Group established a state-of-the-art heat exchanger manufacturing facility, equipped with advanced fabrication machinery and cutting-edge technology. This strategic move successfully integrated heat exchangers into the company's product portfolio. Backed by an innovative R&D team and nearly 4 decades of expertise in heat exchanger design and application, Square Technology has successfully delivered customized solutions to over 6,000 clients worldwide. We pride ourselves on mastering core technologies and driving continuous innovation. Our heat exchanger manufacturing facility is located in Nantong, China, spanning a land area of 38,000 square meters. Our facility is equipped with world-class manufacturing machineries, imported from Germany, Japan, and Italy. It stands among the most advanced heat exchanger manufacturing sites globally. The Blizzard brand offers an extensive portfolio of high-performance heat exchangers designed to meet diverse industrial needs. Blizzard brand heat exchangers has expanded Square Technology Group's product line and solidified its position as a leading manufacturer of freezing equipment worldwide. We look forward to working with you to create a green, low-carbon and sustainable future.